Meaning of euphoric.
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 Euphoric. Euphoric is an adjective that describes a state of intense happiness and excitement. When someone feels euphoric, they experience a heightened sense of joy and pleasure. This feeling can result from various situations, such as winning a competition, achieving a personal goal, or falling in love. Physiologically, euphoria is triggered by the release of neurochemicals such as dopamine and endorphins in the brain. The result of euphoria is a sense of elation and well-being, often accompanied by a feeling of invincibility and a desire to repeat the experience.